Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on your speaker SOUNDCORE Glow. And the first one, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now it can reconnect it automatically, or you can click it at the device list. Here we go. But if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset, so just press and hold power button to turn off your speaker. And now press and hold it again to turn on it. Cool. But if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add this speaker. So just press and hold power button to turn off it. Now click the information icon or settings icon. If you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device and then press and hold power button to turn on your speaker. It should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold Bluetooth button right here. Now click on your speaker at the device list, and we did it. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, just press and hold Bluetooth button and volume up button at the same time for at least 4 seconds. Here we go. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. If you have Android also, don't forget to click pair new device, and now click on your speaker at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!